he's kind of shy.
Really?
Kinda.
Smile for the camera. That's your boy.
It's okay, Jake.
Dance for me. Dance. Dance for the camera.
Dance. That's dark. Don't drop that duck.
Hey, don't drop that duck.
He doesn't dance the songs.
Huh? Dance for me.
What are you looking at? Get away! I'll walk away. Hey! Ah! Dice! We peeked again.
Logan, don't talk.
Hey, what is that? Here.
Whoa.
He can't fly.
Abigail, come here, you. Abigail.
Abigail.
Don't smell my butt. What are you doing?
What are you looking at?
I'm watching Brooke. Georgia,
What?
you made the dip, but you didn't do anything with it. Come and clean your mess up.
Uncle Shane, I like the bird. He's pretty nice and awesome. And why does he come this
Let him walk
way?
to you. He's just gonna taste you.
He won't even get there.
Oh, you tweet.
He won't bite me?
Don't bite my toe.
You're gonna drop it. What do you think you should do with it?
Just kidding. Don't bite it.
Dice. I want to give the dice to him. Let me do it. Here, Jake. Want your dice? A little bit lower. There, that's he was on his tippy toes. So he likes me if I give him his dice? Why do you come over near me? He just wants to sniff you.
Does Mom have the pierogies done?
Ow! You bit me. You don't bite me.
Jake,
You
bad
bit me.
birdie.
He's not bad. He was just tasting you.
Yeah, he does that.
Yeah, but can he just lick instead of bite?
No, he has to bite because of.
Oh yeah, his tongue.
Too
Yeah.
short. Hey Jake. Hey Jake.
Yes.
A little bit lower because he's.
Careful, he does want to bite you.
A little more.
Are you okay, Jake? Oh my God, you're just dead.
Switch it.
Be careful, he has sharp
Switch
claws too. Hang on.
No, quarter. Right there.
Don't cut it off. Just
He's tasting the dice.
Logan, please be quiet.
Oh, no.
I'm trying to listen to the bird. Logan, I mean it.
What? I like my dice. I like my dice. Hey, Jake. What's the... Hey!
Abigail.
Hey!
Cadbury. Here, boy.
You want your dice? Do you want your dice?
I'm the movie star
Hey,
now.
do you want your dice? There you go. Here's your dice for you.
no.
Oh, I like his awesome